What's the point in so many TikTok accounts? So this is a good question. So someone on TikTok asked, why you got so many TikTok accounts? You know why I've got so many TikTok accounts? Because we've all heard of people on Instagram getting hacked. You must have, hey, don't act like you don't pre those girls' Instagram accounts. Yeah. There's certain girls out here got hacked at 200K on their most recent account. So they will have a recent account that's only got 10K followers, but then they'll have in their bio got hacked at 200K. Now, when I first started TikTok, I didn't know how this thing works. I don't know if your accounts can get hacked. If you've got an account, for the most part, it probably can get hacked. So I thought, nah, fuck that. But basically, the reason why I got so many accounts, the reason why I initially made a JYS 2.0 is because basically what happened was, yeah, I uploaded a video called Stupid Mum Causes Son's Murder, yeah? And basically, there was some woman in East London, she must have found some drugs in her son's room, like some white and brown. The youth was like 14 years old. So basically what happened was some youths in the area was forcing the youth to shop for them. I can't really remember the backstory. I think they done something dumb, like bought him chicken and chips. And I don't know, maybe they dropped £50 and say, "Hey, hold that." And next thing you know, they got him shot in for him. Yeah. So boom, the mum found the drugs in the yard, probably in the son's bedroom, and she thought, a logical person would think, oh yeah, dispose of the drugs. But you're not dealing with people who have a logical mind, i.e., the youths that was making the little boy shot. So she disposed of the drugs. Next thing you know, this youth's obviously in debt to the older boys that he shot him for, because they're not gonna say, yo, I don't know what the boy's name is. Yo, Tyrone, where's the where's the food at? Oh, my mum flushed it down the toilet. Oh, your mum flushed it down the toilet. Oh, okay, cool. Don't worry about it. It's cool. It's cool. Ah, it's just £500-600. I got flushed down the toilet. No problem, bro. No, no, no. They want their money back. I don't know what happened. I don't know if they sent him out the country. Next thing you know, the boy is being shot dead in the streets. So what happened was, man uploaded that video to TikTok. I didn't even think it was gonna get much views. When I was first uploading videos to TikTok, I was just getting like 300, 400, 700 views, nothing. There was a point when I first started that TikTok account, I must have just been uploading videos, like 5 at a time. I don't know how this thing works. And I was just getting like 0 views. So I hit up, big up My Nature Music, no, Miniature Music, yeah? Press 1 in the chat if you know who Miniature Music is. Press 1 in the chat if you know Mini. Need a couple ones before I can tell you the story. That's a snake. Well, I guess none of you don't know who Miniature Music is. I said I don't care, Oh no, I don't know, bro. Right, anyway. So I thought you lot would know who Miniature Music is. Anyway, boom. So I must have hit him up. I don't know him in person, but like I know him through the internet, innit? I was like, yo, why is he only getting 0 views and that? Get me? Anyway, he said, what you need to do is you need to delete those videos and just re-upload them, like, once every 3-4 hours or something he said or whatever. So boom. So man uploaded that video, Stupid Mum Causes Son's Murder. That video was getting bare views. That video went not viral, but you understand, like people, family members of the youth were sending it around, and like the mum found the video, like came onto my page and was DMing me and posting comments underneath the video. You better delete this video before you get caught up in a murder case. That's the sort of chat she was talking, I was like, okay, cool. All right, cool. The video is definitely gonna stay now. You ain't gonna threaten me on the internet. Fuck that bullshit. Anyway, next thing you know, they got the video taken down. Probably the mom and all the friends and aunties and shit. Like, but there was family members. They was like, yo, hold on a minute. Is this guy talking about whatever the boy's name was, Tyrone? Oh, people were like, I don't know this guy. This guy better not be talking about little Tyrone, whatever. And people were going mad. So anyway, boom. So the video got taken down because what she probably done was she probably said, everyone report the video. Why don't you get like 5 people? Probably 30 people reported the video. once you get a lot of people reporting the video, they just take the fucking video down. So I was like, fuck. So I remember, yeah, like these times I was staying at my mum's. I must say I went to my mum's yard and that. So yeah, I went to my mum's yard, and I remember, like, I don't know, I must have. I have this thing where like I'll fall asleep on my mum's sofa and then wake up at 1 in the morning and go to the kebab shop, or where Bouncers Road meets Hertford Road. It's called Pizza King Kebab or something like that. I always go there a little 1 in the morning kebab, man. Walk up at 1 in the morning, I see the videos taken down. I was like, what, bro? This is on 30K, bro. Don't take the fucking piss. So anyway, I thought, right, in the future, I'm gonna have people probably, you know, try and take my videos down and that. Yeah. So okay, cool. So I made a 2.0 account. And then I started uploading there. Obviously, I appealed the video getting taken down. Next thing you know, like they restored it within like, I don't know, half a day or something like that. And then I just thought, you know, let me make some more accounts. And then that's what it is. That's why I got so many accounts. I thought, nah, because people want to try and get my accounts taken down because people are fucking haters, bro. So yeah, I just decided to think. Obviously, I made that video. I done that reaction video to the chick or the chicks who you know, they have like them prison boyfriends and that. They try to get that video taken down as well. Yeah, I appealed that shit. That video got restored. Yeah. That video got restored. Them motherfuckers try to get that video taken down. You tried to get the video taken down because I was talking the absolute truth. In that video, if you haven't seen it, basically there's chicks out here. There's many chicks out here who have like prison boyfriends, prison husbands. They're based in the UK or some other country, and their prison husbands are based in America. These chicks do not live in America. They don't, like, why the fuck have you got a prison husband in America? Like, if your boyfriend is from the UK, don't know about this in America and he got locked up. Yeah, no. These chicks from the UK went out of their way specifically to find some stupid ass pen-pal boyfriend or husband. So I'm saying in that video, these chicks, no doubt, are sending £100 way overseas. Yeah, money transfer, whatever them stupid shops, sending money overseas to put on these guys' books and that, when they should be putting £100 in their youth's bank account or £100 towards their youth's private tuition, because most people have average intelligence. So if your youth has average intelligence, why are you not putting £100 every month or every week towards your child's private tuition? They'll rather put £100 on some bum-ass waste man that ain't got 2 GCSEs, yeah, between both of them, yeah? They'll rather put money on his books than put it in their child's bank account. So man was saying that they probably saw the video, trying to get the video taken down. I appealed that, the video got restored. Get out of here, blood. Like, you're trying to take the video down because I'm talking the fucking truth, blood. And then, so what's gonna happen is, yeah, these chicks are seeing these videos, try to get the video taken down. They're pissed off with what I said in the video, because in the video I said when these guys are released, they're just going to move on. These girls that think they're the only chick, there's 5 of them. You are 1 of 5. When these guys in America are released from prison, they're not seeing these girls, blood. So what I'm saying is, I'm predicting the future. They're going to be pissed off with me. I'll get the video taken down. But then in 5 years' time, when these guys are released and ghost them, I'm fucking right. But they will never admit, oh yeah, that guy is right. And that. So it's just dumb, man. It's dumb. Man said, man, like G Wise, General Wise, you done now. Man said, sorry, don't bad me up. Hey, listen, I'm a nice guy, you know, about badding people. I'm bad no or not. One sec. So J Wise is one of a kind. Blood, that's what I'm saying, fam. I'm not bragging or nothing, but blood, I am literally a one of a kind. You ain't gonna find another person on social media that's like, I mean, you can find similar man in that, but for the most part, it's going to be very difficult to find other men that are just like man.